like, so if you know, like, freaking Sky's Minecraft, I kind of sound like Ross. House owner Ross right now because I'm sick and I'm Rossum. Just so you know, I'm Rossum, and I'm in a Skype call right now, but you can't hear them because I use it as dumb that I'm Rossum. You can hear my brother in the background, and I'm Rossum. Just so you know, I'm freaking Rossum. I'm so Rossum.
No, you're not.
Shut up! I'm Rossum. You can't deal with it.
No, you're not.
So Rossum.
You're not Ross.
I'm Rossum. You have to deal with it.
No, you're not Ross.
Thundercluck is dead.
Yeah.
Thundercluck, no.
Yeah.
Thundercluck.
Yeah.
Thundercluck.
Yeah.
Thundercluck.
You must die. Yeah.
I'm Rossum. And
There you are.
yeah, that's right.
Nope.
Thundercluck is my chicken, but he died, so now I have Thunder Muffin. He's my new chicken.
No, you don't even have a chicken.
And if you knew that, you would you should have seen Roommates by Sky's Minecraft, and like this video and comment if you're awesome.
You're not
So
awesome.
awesome.
Nope.